Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexi Leanne if this is your very first time here. On this channel I tend to do makeup tutorials, anything beauty and fashion, and today I got something to show you guys. So excited, can't believe I did it, but it was on a whim, so I just got it anyway. But before we go ahead and get started with this video, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to my channel and also to turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So guys, dun, 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 I picked up something from Louis Vuitton. I was just kind of out and I was like, what the heck, might as well get something. I feel like once you start buying Louis Vuitton products, it's always so hard to stop because you're always on the website, you're always adding to your wish list, and it's like, what's next? So I went into the store and I got this. So with the store, they come in these kind of type of envelopes, or at least to the store I was at, and it comes with the receipt and about personalization, things like that. So it comes with those and your receipt. So let's go ahead and get started. Obviously it always comes with the dust bag, the box. And are you guys ready to see what I got? So this is what I got my hands on. So this is the Louis Vuitton 6-key holder. This is how it looks. It's about the size of the key pouch, so if you want to look at that video, I'll be sure to link that one. But this is how this beautiful piece looks. Now this is in monogram, and of course, you guys, you know I love my monogram. This is how it looks from a side, the back. Try to let it focus. Yeah, there we go. And then kind of the bottom. So guys, can't believe that clock is going off, but this is how it looks in the inside. So this piece, it is made in Paris. And look at this leather, you guys. It is such a beautiful piece. I love the gold hardware that's in there. It also has that gold hardware for the button on the front. Let's see. So it comes with this. And then it has like this little sleeve. So basically you can put something in there, maybe like it's like a see-through. Well, you know, it doesn't have like a pocket that seals. But you can put maybe your ID, maybe a credit card, or like some cash. And then you just enclose everything in there. So like the sides or whatever, it wouldn't still fall out. So that is a plus. So I'm going to put my keys in there to kind of show you guys how it is. So let's see. First we're going to open this. Now by opening this, you simply kind of unclick it. There we go. And you slide it to the side, either side. Now with these lift up, and then you can take them out, and then you can put your keys on there. So we're going to put some keys on there. But also about this, if you don't have 6 keys, you can take these out and just kind of save these. But I'm just going to keep mine on because I don't want to take a chance or risk by losing them. Also guys, it retails for $265. So I think that it's always a good deal, especially for a small leather goods. So if you're looking for a birthday gift, Christmas is right around the corner, don't want to spend a lot of money, I would totally recommend this. So guys, I'm going to take my keys, and basically you just put this through. Let's see if I can get this on my first try. Or not. There we go. So you connect that like that, and it goes through, so it wasn't hard to put on. I'm going to do a couple of more keys, and also my car key. One thing about the this 6 key holder. They also make a 4 key holder, but they said if you have like car fogs and things like that, it tends to be bulky and then it doesn't close. So that was another reason why I opted to get the 6 key. So then I have my key fog. This will go on there as well, and that one just like that. So guys, we're going to start putting these keys back on there. Now, you see this little notch right here? That's the part that basically goes towards the back so you can connect and just drop your key. Same thing. And then this one. And so to lock it back in place, you just simply just push that back in until you hear a click. So that's basically, those are my keys. Now let's see if we can close it up and see how it looks. So it does lock into place. You really can't see my keys. Nothing's going to fall out of there. Also, people, if they have more keys, they tend to keep the key that they're using. So a lot of people leave their fog key out and button this. So people just keep their fogs out, and then there you go as well. So I like the concept of this. Really compact, really just so neat. Let's see if I can stick my wallet in here, put a few dollars or something in here and see how this looks, okay? Okay guys, so I have my cards and I have a few dollars, so let's see if we can actually get all of this in here, see how it would look. So I'm sliding my cards in there. And will you look at that? It's right there. Now let's see if I can take a couple of dollars. I just kind of did it like this. And it does fit. So everything does fit in there. So I'm going to put my keys back up here, close it up, see how it looks. So you guys, this is so nice. Nothing's coming out of here. Also guys, I kind of want to, like I said, I really don't know, well, I bought it because I really like Monogram. I'm addicted to Louis Vuitton, addicted to buying things, and I just didn't want to go without. But I kind of wanted to compare it to my Monogram key pouch, like in size. So these are these two side by side. This is the key pouch right here, and you see they're basically the same size. Now thickness wise, it looks like my 6 key holder is a little thicker, but you can put a lot of stuff into this key pouch and it kind of expands a little bit. So basically they're almost like the same size. I feel like I will start kind of interchangeably using these. One week I use this one week I use the next one, just so I won't wear and tear so much on my key pouch, because this is the one I've been using every day since I got it. But you guys, this one is so compact and so cool too that I think I will use this one. And I love that the fact that my keys are all tidied in here. Also, another thing about this this 6 key holder is we have our beautiful purses, we throw in keys in there, and that's scratching the interior of our purses, and we hate that. We do. So this can help with that because all your keys are tucked into here so nicely, so it won't ruin your purse. It can be a hack. That can be something, right? So y'all, I really like this. Like I said, retails for $2.65. If you think you would like this, then I totally would recommend this one. Again, this is my key pouch, but like I said, really like this product. Okay guys, so that pretty much sums up today's video again on my Louis Vuitton. I'm just playing with the keys, honestly. This just sums up my video on my Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. Again, I think you guys will like this one as well. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like this type of content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!